Hey guys, welcome to new video. Frina Dusan here, and in today's video, like I promised you, when I be on that road, the junkyard, I take that Philips surveillance camera, very old, to just see what we can find inside. Okay, so this will be a fun scrap video, I think. Yeah. So I will just scrap that. Let's see. I think that inside contain very nice goodies. This is very dirty. This is very dirty scrapyard. Trust me. So waste plastic, and we got metal base here. So I need to remove that. Yeah, very nice. Maybe I keep that. Especially when it's weather, when it's rain. On that junkyards, it's a very muddy. Have a lot of mud and dirt too. And I will just keep that. You see that? This I can use for some project. Very nice. So this stuff don't go in the scrap metal. I will just keep that on the side for something. Okay, so let's see. Where is the... Yeah. Got some little torex here. Very small one. I will try to open that. Or I can just do that like this. Okay, so we broke that. Lot of junk plastic, like you see. And here we got, okay, scrap metal. And here we got some optic. It's similar like, and you see it's a motors, Philips Color 419. So it's just typical camera, but she got some plastic cover, nothing else. Some connector, no gold. Okay, so let's see how to remove this little fellow. Some normal connector, no gold. Some cables. Okay, this is some kind of potentiometer, I know. Yeah, you see inside silver contact. So let's first remove these cables. I always remove the cables first and the copper, because that is the quickest way that I return my invest. Because here, like I said, a lot of time here in Serbia, we don't get that scrap for free. Okay, more cables. More scrap metal. Okay, what is this? I don't know what is this. Some type of capacitor, copper cables, aluminum shields, and some silver plated little ceramic board. So what else we got here? One yellow silver capacitor. And more one silver plated item here inside this rubber. It's similar like some fuse. I will clip that. I'm gonna add that together with my silver plated items. More cables. So use a little power to remove that. So this is aluminum. Yeah. So this go to aluminum bucket. And here is our camera, like a spy camera. Oh, everything is so tough to open. So once again, yeah, some connector, gold pin inside. I don't know if you see, one gold pin inside. So once again, I will use my friend's help. Okay, let's open this. So freaking hard to open this. Okay, metal box, scrap metal. aluminum box. Alright. Ooh, let's see what we have here. Oh, this little stuff is stocked with a little micro board. So, ton of screws, definitely. I will just try to not unscrew everything because it's so boring. Okay. Okay, let's see the first part. Everything is covered with the metal for protection. Okay, so here I got some small micro board, 3 orange capacitor. I don't know what contain. I need to test that. More one connector small board. Some MLCC is there. And here we got just a small part of cable, 1 MLCC old one, the yellow one, and some scrap metal here. Some waste plastic. And we got little board there. Board, some small ICs, some MLCCs, aluminum capacitor, some silver item here, and this is one old transistor. So I remove this. More one scrap metal board. So nothing too much on this board. More scrap metal. And this should be just one chunky transformer. Yeah, inside of that is just a plastic cover transformer. Waste plastic. Okay, let's go to the second board. Some isolation here. This is some kind of micro board, some plastic, and this side nothing. On this side we got just a bunch of MLCC and 2 side leg, 2 piece of chip. More one little board. The back side 1 chip and MLCCs, and the front size some copper. This blue one, it's a copper coil, and some orange capacitor, 2 side leg chip and 2 4 side leg chip, 1 crystal. And here I got some, I don't know what is this, just a small copper coil underneath that metal covers. Okay, so more one board on the end. I think that this should be the best one for now. How the hell you people open this every day? Okay, couple of small ribbon cable, not gold on the connector, so just waste. And this little board is not actually that good, like I think in the beginning. So, like I said, two side leg on the front side, size 1 copper coil capacitor, and a lot of this orange capacitor. Let's crack to see what we have inside. Well, it looks like some ceramic stuff, but I don't know what is that. And the camera chip inside, it's actually no gold plating anywhere except a micro gold bonding wire. I don't know if you see right over there. This is a gold bonding wire, I see very well, but only this place contains gold. Well, I broke that right now, so I need to collect that, everything in the ceramic item bucket. So it's not the best stuff, definitely. And here what we got here, it's actually just the metal, just the glass and the metal, so here we don't have nothing. Here I got some small micro board. Look at that, 1 chip, 2nd chip, little copper coil there, nothing else. Okay guys, so beside that waste plastic and some aluminum and scrap metal, this couple of boards, little boards, it's everything from this camera, so this camera is not the best, like I think. Some big transformator cover with the plastic, some silver contact, silver plated items, some ICs, very small one, MLCCs, and 1 ceramic chip with a gold bonding wire, but nothing else. So this definitely, it's not worth. I take that only to make this video, to just actually I see what I can expect inside. I will never take that again, definitely, and to show you what you can expect if you find that for free or for the money. Okay guys, so I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon in some next video about something else, maybe some other road trip to buy some new stuff. See you around guys, friend out.